that beautiful? Oh, baby, the waterfall. Trouble, I'm on the other side of the road. We'll get the waterfall on the way back so you can capture it, okay? Trouble? Where is it? Where is it? We're missing it. It's the steam.
I think we tried to go there and the waterfalls, but
we don't have our jackets.
no, it's okay. We look first and we back tomorrow or something. For example, we go swim.
Are you rolling?
Beautiful, babe.
I am.
Can we go closer? Yeah, it's a selfie. Look at that. Umuusok na vulkan.
Again.
Again.
It's this one right there?
No. This is straight then.
It's not that way to your mama's house. We're like, oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Feel that breeze. It's like, oh. Hello, Valencia. Yeah. Happy. It's a resort, huh?
No, but it's a camp.
It's a camp?
Oh, it's a resort.
I think so.
Resort.
Yeah, it had a pool and like staying there. Look how high it is up there. All in the mountain. We like it up here. Go out and adventure, people. It's not waiting for you, huh, Josie? Go on adventures. Very pretty. Look at all that pretty, it just wraps around. Little river. Maybe there's the steam. Trouble?
No,
No, it's not. It's somebody's barbecue.
Remember, we have a gas overdown.
Yeah.
The gas station.
It's around the corner.
Look at that. Pulang ba to?
Yeah. How could I forget?
Oh, no?
Palong Bato.
Pulang ba to?
Oh no, the rice.
Oh, no? What happened? Why you hit me?
Why are you hitting me?
Anyway, it's slow for that.
I was trying to get out of his. I was trying to get out of their way.
No, it's fine. It's
Yes.
a road.
I know. Sorry. Wasn't on purpose.